Guys, welcome back to Cooking My Way with your girl Nifa. Okay, so today is Thursday, September 30th. I just got off work, so that's what the stains on my shirt is. Soup got on me, so excuse the mess. I just came home from work, washed my hands, and I got my water boiling over here, so it's cloudy and smoky because if y'all remember from the last video, that grease situation, that's what's going on right now. So I guess the grease has to burn off. I have cleaned this stove, but this is what we're dealing with. And as y'all can tell by the title, spaghetti. See y'all in a minute. God, I feel like I ain't cooking in a long time, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in my pan. My pot stopped smoking, y'all. And I got some fresh garlic, basil pesto.
To what? To what?
Saute that stuff down. I got some onions and peppers over here. Just sauteing them real quick. I use this.
There we go.
Okay. Garlic.
I'll put the top on. Turkey, y'all.
Turkey, ground turkey. And I'm gonna use some ground Italian sausage, mild flavor. So I'm gonna wash my hands. So I'm gonna add some fire roasted diced garlic, tomatoes. And go ahead and simmer this down inside this pot a little bit. Can y'all tell me, that's much quieter now, who sing the song Money, Power, Respect? Comment in the comments down below. Money, power, respect. Don't you even lie. Who sing that? So I'm gonna add some garden combination. So this has onions and peppers, garlic, celery, tomato, carrots, zucchini.
Oh my God.
Yeah, all that good stuff in there. And I'm gonna add a little water to this too. I tell you what, I'm gonna add some chicken stock to this and stir it up and pour it in there. Put this in the refrigerator. Whenever y'all seasoning y'all food, always season to y'all like it, however you like it. And I'm adding some Sazon tropical mix. Okay.
Let me invite my
This also turns the food red. So if you want yellow rice, This is good for yellow rice if you want to make yellow rice at home. It's good.
Let me invite my friend then.
So if you look in here, you'll see it's changing. It's already, the color already changing. This is gonna be so delicious, y'all. I used a pack of Sazon mix, 2 packs, because this is a lot of, you know, food. And I got some black pepper. I'm gonna add some of this Creole seasoning. Oh my gosh, you use so much seasoning. Well, you know what? Season your food to how you like it. We love seasoning. I love tasty food. So sorry if it seems like it's too much for y'all. And y'all already know, if it's too much, don't watch. But it is what it is. So now I'm gonna taste it. I did add a little salt, some pink Himalaya salt. So I'm trying this new salt out and I absolutely love it. It's really, really good. So it's pink Himalaya fine. So it's already like grinded up really fine. So now I'm gonna taste it to see if it's, you know, if it need anything.
Oh yeah, I know that.
I doubt it need anything. Oh my god.
Golden,
delicious, don't need nothing. I'm gonna let it simmer for a little bit, okay? Alright, you guys, so this is dinner. Quick spaghetti meal. This may not look like your typical spaghetti, but I mean, it's ours, you know, it's my way. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, because you can comment down. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss the next upload from us. Also, don't forget my trivia question. Who sings Money, Power, Respect? Okay. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.